This video demonstrates the simple steps to set up the integrated development environment and run the Blinky sample program with FSP. First, set up eSquare Studio, the Renesas integrated development environment. The installer is available on the Renesas website. In this video, the FSP platform installer is used to set up both the eSquare Studio and the flexible software package in a single installation. This video demonstrates the setup using the RZA FSP platform installer. Platform installer can be downloaded from the flexible software package website for each device in a similar way. For more information, please visit the FSP web page for your specific device. Double-click the installation package. Select Custom Install. The essential features are selected by default. Click Next. Keep the default selections. Read and accept the software license agreements. Select shortcut name for the Start menu. Review the list of software to be installed. Then click Install to begin the installation of both eSquare Studio and FSP. The installation has completed successfully. Next, create the Blinky project with FSP in eSquare Studio. Creating and configuring an FSP project is the first step in developing an application. Select File, New, Renesas C++ Project, Renesas RZ. Select Renesas RZ, A, C++ FSP project. Enter the project name. Select the target board and toolchain. Click Next. Click Next. Choose the Blinky template and click Finish. The FSP project is created. Build the project to generate the executable file. Some devices may require additional configuration. For more information, please refer to the Getting Started guide or the user's manual in the FSP web page for the specific device. Project is built successfully. Finally, set up the board and run the Blinky FSP project. The RZA3UL evaluation board kit is used for demonstration. Configure the DIP switches as shown, then connect the PMOD LED, debugger, and power supply. To launch the debug session, open the debug configuration. Select the Renesas GDB hardware debugging. Debugger. Connection settings. Set Reset after download to Yes. Select the Startup tab. Click Add, and select RZA3UL Smart QSP IIPL.SREC file. Change load type to image only. Click Add, and select project name.srec file. Change load type to image only. Check the Set Breakpoint at Main checkbox. Click Debug to start the debugging. Click the Resume button to begin debugging. The program stops at the breakpoint in the main function. Click Resume again, the Blinky program will start running. LED starts blinking as shown. Similar procedure can be used to run the Blinky project on other devices. Please refer to the Getting Started guide or the user's manual in the FSP web page for specific debug configuration of your device.